Hi, it's Jason Strike from Real Broker. Today we're featuring 357 Point McKay Gardens. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhouse has got some moderate updates and is ideally situated just half a block to the Bow River. If you're looking to upsize, downsize, or just move into this neighborhood so you can be close to the river and enjoy all the outdoor activities, please do give me a call. I hope you enjoy your tour. And if you have any questions on Point McKay, I've been working and living in Point McKay for 28 years, and I'd be happy to show you this house or any other house in the neighborhood. Thanks and have a great tour. Bye for now.